During the corona epidemic, good claims were made about the virus being eradicated by ultraviolet or ultraviolet light. But now Japanese experts have succeeded in presenting the first scientific evidence to eradicate the coronavirus. Scientists at the University of Hiroshima in Japan have said with evidence that 222 nanometers of wavelength of ultraviolet C light, if used, is harmless to human skin and very effective against the coronavirus. Can eliminate this light is also called far ultraviolet or far ultraviolet rays. Earlier, it was seen as effective against the old strains of the coronavirus, but now, for the first time, it has eliminated the coronavirus, which became a symbol of terror in 2020. The coronavirus, a symbol of terror, has been eradicated. The details of the study are published in the American Journal of Infection Control. According to research, experimentally these rays were applied to a large colony of SARS-CoV-2 for only 30 seconds, then 99.7% of the germs were completely eliminated, which is a significant achievement. Ultraviolet rays of 222 nanometers were also tested and similar results were obtained. The light of this intensity does not reach the lower surface of human skin and is thus very suitable for human use. This light can also be used to clean laboratories, hospitals and protective clothing from the coronavirus. Nevertheless, Japanese experts are conducting further experiments to make the technology safer for humans. The research is being carried out under Hiroshima University's COV Peace project, which includes several institutions and laboratories.